Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renelle. So I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing today. This is what the box looks like. And I'm not going to be doing a try and haul or try and install or anything like that. I'm just showing you what we got in the Boxycharm. So I went ahead and opened the box, but I've not looked inside to see what I've actually received. So this is what the box looks like when it gets shipped to you. It does have like a little pamphlet that says Boxycharm. And it is a cut out, so it looks like this right here. Just go ahead and put that over here. Sorry if you see my cat, that was Chanel. So this is what it looks like on the inside of the box. Right here. So it looks like we got some good goodies. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out is going to be the Bang Beauty chocolate. I'm not sure what this is. Let's look at it and see. So this is a chocolate eyeliner. It says that you can use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow brush, or I'm sorry, eyeshadow base, or even go to touch up your eyebrows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threats. This does retail for $22. As you can tell, it did come a little banged up. So it looks like this right here. But as long as the product itself is not damaged, then I won't care too much. I just really hope that it's not damaged or anything like that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it looks like it's in good shape. It's not broke or anything like that. Let me check the inside of it real quick. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is chocolate tone. It doesn't have a smell or anything like that. The packaging I love. It's super cute. It looks like Bang Beauty is the name of it right there, and it is in the color chocolate. It is a gel eyeliner. I love gel eyeliners. They're like really easy to use, really good to use and stuff like that. It doesn't have a smell or anything, so I'm very grateful for that. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm not exactly sure if their products are any good or anything like that, because I've simply never heard of them. Okay, so we'll put that to the side, and I did say that did retail for $22. So the next thing that I pull out is going to be the House of Lashes lashes in the color Heartbreaker. I have never tried any other lashes before. I wanted to, but honestly, I just didn't want to spend that much money to see if it was worth it or not. I mostly use Ardell brand, or like the Demi Wispies are my favorites. So this is what they look like right here. Super excited to use these. These are so gorgeous. Because these are kind of a higher end brand. I've never actually spent the money to try them. I mean, I've heard really good things about this brand, but I've never actually used them, so I'm super excited about that. These are, they add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes, cruelty free, high quality, and long lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. These retail between $9 to $12. Really? I thought that was like more expensive than that. All those days was like $20-some. $9 or $12, I can pay that. Okay. So the next thing that we have is the Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. It's high-tech skincare for nails from Adise, New York. We have received some of their things in the Boxycharms before, They're okay. Now, as for nails, I don't know that I would ever use this. It is Sweet Almond Cuticle Nails. It does look like that. It looks just like a paintbrush. Now, I get my nails professionally done, as you can tell. So I also get my toes professionally done because I hate touching my toes. I hate doing anything with nails, so I get them professionally done because I like how they look. So I'm not exactly sure if I'll use this or not. I probably will do a giveaway on this. Because I don't think I'll use it. I will ask my nail girl the next time I go see her who does my nails if this will be okay to use, but I'll probably just give it away, to be honest. Okay, so the next thing that I received is going to be my Smashbox Be Legendary Lipstick. And this is the Feel Good Matte. This is in the color Fair Play Matte. Okay, so this is by Smashbox. It's create bold, beautiful looks with your new Smashbox lip product. This pigment loaded color glides on in just one swipe, getting you out the door and into the party quicker. Shades and finishes may vary. And this is between $21 to $24. So, it says Studio Tip, want a plump out day lighter shade on center of lower lip. Okay. This is this is purple. The packaging is super cute, but the color is like, I would never wear something like this. Honestly, I don't know if I'll wear this or not. I don't even know if I'll keep this. I don't know. Let's just swatch. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. That's what it looks like. Ooh. I'll keep that. I'll wear that this fall. Okay, and here is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, okay. So this is the Laura Lee Los Angeles that they collaborated with. This is the Party Animal palette. Let's see, now I've not opened. Ooh. I do not wear these colors at all. But that almond oil retails for $18, by the way. I don't know if I forgot to mention or not. So this is worth $18. So the palette itself comes with a mirror, which is good. And then you get the colors in here. So this retails for $19. It says stirred to be the life of the party with Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. So the names of it is It's a Party, Damage Control, Karaoke, Hungover, Bottoms Up, and Drinks with an A. I don't know how I feel about this, to be completely honest. I am not one to wear shades like this, but I might keep it just to have some color, so I might try it out. And then I got the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. They did send 3 of them. Now these are $13. It says after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask. These go full under eye mask, brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. Okay. Wow, I'm really, I don't know what to say about these products. I'm super excited to try these out. That's it. Everything else kind of, I mean, you can't beat it for 21 bucks at all. And I mean, this more than makes up the $21, especially like the lashes, the gel eyeliner. You know, everything's supposed to be really good. So I don't know how I feel about these two. Like, I don't know if I could create a look with this. I don't know, to be honest. I mean, these are like bold looks. These are like summer, and where I live in Kentucky, we're heading into August or fall next month. So I might could try to do something, but I'm not a partier. I don't go out and party or anything. I stay home on the weekends. I don't know how I feel about this. We'll give it a try. I'll do a video. See how we can work with it. But I do want to thank you for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do down below. I would really appreciate it, and I do want to thank you all so very much for tuning in, and I hope that you all have a great day.